Hello everyone, in this video lecture I will discuss how to do partial fractions when the rational expression contains the linear factor. Suppose we have a rational expression that is x minus a, x minus b, 1 upon x minus a, x minus b. We need to find out the partial fraction of this. So it is very simple. Simply write them x minus a and x minus b. Just make this factor equal to 0. From here you will get x equals to a. Use this value here in the second factor. So since once you put the value a here, it will be a minus b constant coefficient. Okay. Now similarly make this factor equal to 0. So you will get x minus b equals to 0, x equals to b. Now put this factor into the second one while writing for this. So when you write b here, it will be b minus a. So b minus a plus b minus a. Okay. Remember that if you are finding the value from this factor, you should not use this value here. Okay. You have to use this value in the another factor. Okay. So this is your partial fraction value. Now if we have for numerical example say x minus 2, x minus 3. So here it is easy to find out the smaller fraction that is x minus 3. So we can rewrite it 1 upon x minus 3 and 1 upon x minus 2. Okay. So for this one x minus 3, just make it 0. So x equals to 3. Use this value in the another factor. So 3 minus 2. When you put 3 here, so 3 minus 2, it will be 1. So 1 will be multiplied here. And when you put x minus 2 equals to 0, so from here you will get x equals to 2. Use in the another factor here. So 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So put minus here and multiply 1 here. So you got the fraction x minus 1 upon x minus 3 minus 1 upon x minus 2. This is one of the example. Further, let's do one more example. Suppose we have another example. Suppose we have x square upon x square minus 2 and x square plus 4. Suppose we have this one. So we can see that it is suppose x square equals to t. So it is again have linear factors. So if you consider it t, so it is t upon t minus 2 and t plus 4. So it is just for consideration, that is it has linear factors in t, so we can say it is linear in x square. Okay, although it is this is the quality factor, but we are everywhere it is x square, so we are considering it is linear in x square. Okay, x square, consider it as a variable t. So how to attempt it is a similar kind of problem. Just write. Suppose I wrote x square minus 2 from here and x square plus 4. So from this one you have to evaluate the value of x square, that is 2. Now use this value in everywhere where is x square. Okay, except this factor from where you obtain the value. So just write 2. So in the numerator it is x square, so there is 2, and in the denominator it is 2 plus 4. When you plug in here 2 plus 4, that is 6. Okay. Now for the second one, x square equals to minus 4. Now use everywhere. So in the numerator you will use minus 4 and in the denominator you will use minus 4. So minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6. Okay. So minus minus cancels out. Now simplify this. So 2, 6, it is 1 by 3 x square minus 2. Okay. That is with plus sign. Here also it is plus sign, so apply plus. 4 by 6, that is 2 and that is 3. So 2 by 3, that is x square plus 4. Okay. So this is how we can make partial fraction in one line using this method. Okay.